catching lunch and everything. You know, just being sociable.
Yeah.
And just trying to find out if it's all good from you, player. You know, if it's all right if I take you out for the weekend or on road over Atlanta, kick it 3-4 days.
Oh, she told you asked me this?
Well, you know, I just want to be respectable, you know, because I'm a respectable man. You know, I was brought up in a respectable house, and I don't want to just take no man daughter out to Atlanta without getting his good word on it. Because, you know, I'm keep it real with you, brother. I'm 47. I told her don't even get in the car with me if she ain't going to let me hit it. She said she gonna roll, so that must mean she gonna let me hit it.
Why don't you call back around about 9 o'clock for I guess.
What? No, I just want to talk to you about it, player. There ain't no need to even get Tara involved in this. She already want to holler now. She already. And I'm just trying to get the good blessing from you. But if I can't get there now, we still gonna go to Atlanta.
What the hell you calling me for then?
Well, man, I'm just trying to be respectable. That's what I'm trying to do.
Now you giving me demands, right? You still gonna go?
Hold on now.
Whether I ask you or not.
Hold on, watch your mouth, player.
Hey man, what you talking to? Hell, you want to call here early this morning?
Look at player. Now listen.
I ain't no player. I'm not a player. I'm being just fair honest with you. Don't come this time.
I'm trying to take your daughter out. Show her a good time. Them little young ain't doing nothing to take her out. She wanted to get with an old player. That's what I told her.
Look here, you talking stupid and crazy.
Look at player.
And what's your name anyway?
Player, I'm 47.
I'm 62 too.
You old enough to still fight then?
You ain't talking about a word. Nobody backing down from you.
Man, hey, what you want to do then, player? Get slapped 2 times?
Hey, man, look at. All you got to do is do what you do your thing.
Well, I tell you what, when I come pick your daughter up,
yeah, all right, whatever you say.
When I come,
you ain't got to tell no more about it.
No, I'm
whatever you say.
No, listen here, player.
Look here, nothing.
Look here, player. Let me tell your old ass something about respect.
Hey, man, let me tell you. Man, this is a lunatic. You know that?
Hey, tell her to bring some condoms too. I ain't got no condoms. You got some condoms you can give your daughter before she come with me to Atlanta.
That's a lunatic.
Tell your daughter to wear them green drawers too.
She said you wear pink.
No, tell her to wear them green.
No, you wear pink, motherfucker.
No, I don't wear pink drawers.
Yes, you do.
I don't wear no drawers.
Yes, you do. You wear pink. You sound like old punk.
I sound like a punk?
Yeah.
I ain't no punk.
You act like one.
You do.
No, ain't nobody call nobody out. This early morning butter damn food.
Look at player. I try to be respectful.
I try to be respectful.
No, you
respecting you.
No, you didn't.
It doesn't say I respect you.
Hey, you think you told me call back at 9 o'clock? I'm going to call back at 9 o'clock for.
Hey, where when people get up?
Look at get your hands up.
I got to get up.
Look, what time we going to fight now? Because I just got to get this over with today. Because I can see now I got to slap you.
They don't call you this other ball with some bullshit. WBA player. Ain't no player.
The person you called is no longer on the line.
It's the Ricky Smiley Weekend Jump Off. If you know me.